finally, Dil Dhadakne Do. Why did you do it?
Dil Dhadakne, I didn't want to do it. I never wanted to do it. I just, at that moment, I was going through a stage where, looking at the way, because they can stereotype you. They can put you into a kind of a so-called bracket of, there'll be, roles are drying up. And
dad
roles. So that was one of the reasons. And so I felt they might bracket me into that. So I weighed pros and cons. And I said, it's a fantastic role. The director is great. The co-stars are good. So let me dive into it. And I gave my best. And it turned out to be good for me. And so I did it. And then, of course, what followed were a lot of films which were offered similar to Dil Dhadakne, but I turned down all those films. And I did comedies. I did something which I've never done. So I kept on, when I feel that someone is trying to trap me into an image, I try to break that image. They think they know me, but then they go on screen and they say, oh God, they don't know me. So that's what I've tried to do in my career. I always, treaded and dared to evolve, listen, and be with the time, with the young filmmakers, actors, and do something which really scares me, which I've never done.
When you're taking so many challenges, the downside of that is that sometimes things could go wrong, and then, you'd be open to criticism.
Yeah.
Being in the film industry, everyone thinks they have a right over you, they have an opinion about you.
I'm human, of course. Criticism does affect you, and reviews also sometimes affect you. But I don't take success too much to heart. Neither do I take criticism. It doesn't completely. It makes me more aggressive, more energetic, more angry. That I'll prove this person wrong. That's the way I look at it. I don't take it in a negative way. I don't go into sadness, or it must be a few hours of feeling bad about it. But next morning, it's a fresh day. I'm excited. I'm raring to go. I'm going to perform. I'm going to be in the front of the camera. Someone's going to say, action, and I'm going to perform a different character. And they're going to say, cut, and kya shot diya. That's it.
But पहले सिर्फ एक Friday to Friday आपका एक होता था कि film review आएगा paper में. Now everything is instant. Social media has made it almost instant. Anything that ever impacted you and you said, this is too much?
You see, the thing is, there is always going to be noise. And you cannot be, as a celebrity, as a star, people are going to speak about you, people are going to write things about you. How you don't listen to noise, how you block your noise, it took me more than 45 years to learn all these things. How to block it, how to do it, how to relax.
Earlier it used to impact you.
It depends on phase to phase of my career. Earlier it used to impact you. I'm sure it must be happening to youngsters also. And that's what I meet them, I tell them. I said, kuch nahi yaar, kal jayenge, sab bhul jane wale. Like I remember when I was shooting on the set of Animal, and Ranbir came and he had his film, Shamshera had just released, and he was very down. And he came, I said, yaar, sab aise mujhe dekh rahe hain yaar, itni badi flop di hai maine kuch nahi yaar, ek acha shot dete hain, kal tak bhul jayega, sab bhul jayenge. And that's the time we were doing the photo shoot. And I told him, I said, don't take it too hard, yaar. You are imagining that the people are thinking. Nobody's got, It's just, once you're accepted, once you're doing honestly work, because success and failure is not in your hand. You just go and do it honestly. And that's what happened. Next day, we were talking about everything else. We were talking about how to do the next scene. We were jamming with Wanga Saab. And we did those scenes, and Animal happened and became a landmark blockbuster. And people forgot about Shamshera. People now remember him only with Animal.